The Balance of Gratitude, a tale of rational optimism. Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel at Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Today, we will deep dive into another fascinating topic, so get ready to unlock a world of knowledge and excitement. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. The pessimist complains about the wind, the optimist expects it to change, the realist adjusts the sails. The glow of Thanksgiving. Last week, the world basked in the warmth of Thanksgiving, a time for reflection, appreciation, and gratitude. It was a reminder of the immense power gratitude holds in shaping our happiness and well being. But gratitude isn't always effortless. As I pondered its nature, I realized how deeply it intertwines with our perspectives on life, what we expect versus what unfolds. Two shades of gratitude. Humanity often divides itself into two camps, the optimist and the pessimist. When asked what they are grateful for, their responses vary significantly. Optimists create glowing lists like family, friends, home, health, love, and nature. Their gratitude seems boundless, brimming with hope and appreciation. Pessimists, on the other hand, might offer a brief reply, grateful to be still alive. Though their gratitude appears restrained, it isn't any less meaningful. Neither group holds a monopoly on happiness. Gratitude, after all, is deeply personal and often shaped by how closely reality aligns with expectations. The lenses of rational optimism. Enter the idea of rational optimism, a balanced approach that tempers idealism with practicality. Unlike blind optimism, which risks disappointment and often assumes the worst, rational optimism acknowledges life's challenges without losing faith in better outcomes. Historical accounts from Holocaust survivors provide an emotional illustration. Studies reveal that the pessimists, those who expected nothing good, were often the first to lose their will to live. Optimists, meanwhile, clung to the hope of imminent freedom. Yet, those who believed with certainty that liberation would come by Christmas or another specific time often faced crushing disappointment when it didn't happen. The weight of unmet expectations extinguished their spirit. It was the rational optimist who fared the best. They believed freedom would come but tempered that hope with realistic timelines. Their resilience came not from expecting miracles but from preparing to endure for as long as necessary. The aeroplane and the parachute. There is an old saying, the optimist built the aeroplane but the pessimist built the parachute. Somewhere between these two extremes lies the rest of us, navigating life with our unique blend of hope and caution. Our sense of gratitude often mirrors this outlook. Aspirations and achievements feel abundant or lacking, not in absolute terms, but relative to the expectations we set. The secret source of happiness. Gratitude, when paired with rational optimism, becomes the secret source of happiness. By managing our expectations with a dose of realism, we create space for genuine, heartfelt appreciation. Rather than seeing gratitude as a lofty ideal, we can embrace it as a practical tool, a way to acknowledge life's blessing even amid its imperfections. Moral of the story. True gratitude thrives in balance. By tempting our dreams with reality and our challenges with hope, we find resilience, perspective, and the grace to appreciate life as it is, not just as we wish it to be. I hope you enjoyed this story as we wrap up this incredible journey together. Remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to other such stories and profound insights under the Tiny Tales Unfold playlist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more stories. Your support means the world to me, and we will continue to explore the depths of knowledge together. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking the profound. Thank you.